wa migunda mugaro na watho cieko iria itabanagio ni mabitha augumania ministry-ini ya migunda na aria maheanaga taito cia migunda kuri andu augumania na makiria ateti aria macogagira muingi. Kindiki aritie maya ari mbere ya kamiti ya Senate egie migunda ugitiri na watho akiiga utheri-ini gitumi kia ngahiha icio cia ohinda cia mihaka-ini o toria mwandiki witu Chege wa Njohi aratariria.
Status of the delimitation of boundaries.
Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi Kithure Kindiki augite ati aikari a kaunti cia Meru na Tharaka Nithi makoretwo makihithukanira kumana na ngucanio cia migunda ya thirikari na muno makiria ni thirikari gucerithiria mihango ya kugaya migunda iyo kuri muingi uri ubatie kwigwatira.
These protracted disputes and the senseless violence and occasional loss of lives that we've witnessed has been land grabbing. And this land grabbing occurred over many years, whereby corrupt land officials gave title deeds to people who did not own the land to which they have title deeds.
Oho Kindiki ni akomithitie ateti aria macogagira muingi wa kaunti icio cieri ndeto iria icungagirira Ngahiha na makiria kiuga ati andu aria megwateire migunda iyo na aria mataikaraga hakuhi nayo ni mahithukagirwo ni muingi na macungirira gukagia ngui na Ngahiha gatagati ga kaunti icio cieri.
First, we have made it that this matter must be depoliticized completely. We have made it clear with the political leaders of Tharaka Nithi and Meru counties. We've communicated that they must stay away of this matter because every time they pronounce themselves publicly on the matter from both sides, we have loss of life.
Kindiki ni eranire kuhoreria ndugamano icio na makiria kiuria muingi wa kaunti icio cieri kunina ndugamano ciao orire ministry yake iri mihango-ini ya gukuruhania honge ciothe citiganite cia ugitiri ndeto-ini iyo.
And if they need to represent the interests of their people, let them approach government and make their representations either individually from either counties or even jointly. That is the way to resolve this matter and deal with the issues that are outstanding. So that politicization thing, we are going to be very strict with it, Chair, and we will do the untidy work.
Kindiki aritie maya mothe ari mbere ya kamiti ya Senate eigie uigiririki migunda hamwe na ugitiri muthenya wa umuthi nyumba-ini cia bunge ya bururi. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.
Haya turoge nginya kuria kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria governor wa kaunti ino Susan Kihika ni aritie ari wabici nene cia kaunti iyo